So I'm going to teach you how to draw a cat. It's like, because I was, this person had like a thing about like how to draw a dog, so I found out how to draw a cat. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so I'm going to try to draw this upside down where you can see it. So there's this person, right, with no arms, right, and there's like all these sticks jabbed into him, right, and then he jumps into a big hole, and then there's like 2 life rafts right here, and then plays triangle, and then you have a cat. Isn't it so pretty full? It's not the best because I drew it up for them, but whatever.